The Prothane 98-12 Subaru Impreza 5spd shifter kit is a high-performance upgrade designed to restore and enhance the shifting experience in your Subaru Impreza. Whether you're driving a 2002 WRX or another model within the 1998 to 2012 range, this shifter kit provides a significant improvement in shift feel, reducing play and eliminating the wobble that often develops in older shifters. If you're looking for crisp, precise shifts that make your car feel like new again, this kit is the perfect solution. This kit includes all the necessary bushings and components to replace the worn-out parts in your existing shifter assembly. The red color adds a stylish touch to your interior while providing long-lasting durability. The bushings are made from high-quality materials designed to handle the wear and tear of everyday driving while providing superior performance. Whether you use your vehicle for daily driving or spirited driving, the Prothane Shifter Kit ensures a more responsive and smoother shifting experience. One satisfied customer shared their experience with the Prothane kit after installing it in their 2002 WRX, which had a worn shifter after 142,000 miles. The old shifter had too much play, causing significant wobble during shifts. After replacing the worn bushings with the Prothane kit, the reviewer noticed a remarkable difference in shift precision and stability. The installation was straightforward, taking around 4 hours, and the quality of the bushings was excellent, making the upgrade well worth the price. The reviewer highly recommends the kit to anyone experiencing similar issues with their Subaru shifter. If you're looking to restore the factory feel of your shifter or improve its performance, the Prothane 98-12 Subaru Impreza 5spd shifter kit is the ideal choice. With easy installation, excellent durability, and noticeable performance improvements, this kit is a must-have for any Subaru Impreza owner. Click the link in the description to purchase this shifter kit today and experience the difference it makes. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more top-quality products that enhance your driving experience.